गाइस हेलो एवरीबॉडी वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। सो गुकेश के जीतने के बाद ये हमारा पहला क्लब है और कितने सारे लोग आए हैं। तुम लोग देख सकते हो कि एक विन भाई जैसे कि विषयानंद सर जैसे जीते थे उसके बाद कितने लोगों को इंस्पायर किया था चेस खेलने के लिए, वैसे ही हमारा गुकेश जैसे जीतते ही इतने सारे लोग को इंस्पायर किया और इतने सारे लोग आए यहाँ पे। फुल्ली पैक्ड, एक सीट भी नहीं है बची कि जैसे कि कोई आके खेल सके। तो आज ये वीडियो इस बारे में है कि मैं लोगों को पूछूंगा, देखो चैंपियन तो अब हमारा गुकेश है ही, बट लेट्स प्रेडिक्ट के जो नेक्स्ट होने वाली है चैंपियनशिप उसके लिए उनको क्या लगता है चैलेंजर कौन हो। मेरे हिसाब से जो है मेरे को तो लगता है कि अर्जुन एरिगेसी में भी दोनों इंडियंस रहेंगे, कि एक चैलेंजर भी और हमारा चैंपियन भी, फिर तो वापस इंडियन ही विनर रहेगा। बट मेरे हिसाब से वो है, लेट्स सी के लोगों को क्या लगता है और आप लोग को भी क्या लगता है कमेंट्स में लिखे। ये वीडियो बहुत फन और एपिक होने वाली है और क्या पता ये वीडियो जैसे कि सर ने कहा था कि जैसे कि यंगेस्ट चैंपियन वो बनना चाहता है, वैसे ही अगर ये डॉक्यूमेंट होके और कोई यहाँ पे कहता है कि उनको लगता है वो चैलेंजर बने और वो बने, तो यू गेट माई पॉइंट आई फील। तो लेट्स गो। मैं फुल एमिनेम गॉड स्पीड में बोला ना। कैसे जीता है अभी, तो आपको क्या लगता है नेक्स्ट चैलेंजर कौन रहेगा? कोई प्रेडिक्शंस?
चाहते तो हम लोग अर्जुन को ही है, क्योंकि ये वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप इंडिया में ही आई, वही अच्छा है।
ओह नाइस नाइस नाइस, थैंक यू सो मच। जो चैंपियनशिप हुआ उसमें जीता है गुकेश, तो आपको क्या लगता है नेक्स्ट चैलेंजर कौन रहेगा एंड व्हाई?
जैसे आपने पहले भी मिले थे तो बोला था कि इंडियन कोई जीतेगा, कैंडिडेट्स के पहले भी अपना बातचीत हुआ था, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अर्जुन डेफिनेटली गुकेश को चैलेंज करेगा। जैसे अभी इंडिया बहुत बूम कर रहा है चेस में, होपफुली प्रग या फिर अर्जुन में से एक कोई होगा। अर्जुन करंट परफॉर्मेंस देख के।
थैंक यू सो मच भाई। सर आपको क्या लगता है नेक्स्ट चैलेंजर कौन रहेगा?
नेक्स्ट चैलेंजर इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंडियन डेफिनेटली इट शुड बी अर्जुन, ऐसा लग रहा है इन द करंट फॉर्म, बट आई थिंक
आप कहीं से भी बोल सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि इंडियन।
हाँ, सो सी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर आई एम मोस्ट इंटरेस्टेड कि अभी मैग्नस के साथ में खेले गुकेश।
तो वापस आएंगे
आएंगे, ऑफ कोर्स आएंगे, बिकॉज आई थिंक दो तीन चीज़ें हुई है। द वे गुकेश हैज परफॉर्म्ड recently and the way Gukesh has shown the potential, his calmness and everything, I think everybody will feel challenged by the way he has behaved, the way he has carried himself, and definitely Magnus will also, he's also grown in respect in front of a lot of people now. Magnus will play with him and I think I'm hoping next championship is with Magnus and Gukesh wins.
आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर हो जाए तो मजा आ जाएगा, ये बैटल लेजेंडरी होगी। हेलो सर,
अगर आनंद को मैग्नस ने हराया है और गुकेश आनंद को गुकेश मैग्नस को हराएगा,
वो पता है आपको जब ये आनंद को और वो जो कालचन वाला हुआ था ना विशेषण वाला, तो गुकेश ने वो जो जैसे ही कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा
लास्ट वीडियो में से दिखा था उसने,
कॉन्फ्रेंस में उसने कहा था ये कि मैं जब वहां से
बाहर से देख रहा था
और मुझे लगा था कि मेरे को जीतना है नेक्स्ट
करेक्ट
चैंपियनशिप इंडिया में लाना।
यस,
तो मे बी वो एक आउट चैंपियन बना है, बट जिसने लिया आनंद सर से तो
वही रिवर्स। So yeah, I mean the other thing that I was trying to say is जैसे ही आनंद मैग्नस के सामने हारे थे, तो I think if Gukesh can win against Magnus, and Magnus is extremely well respected all over, so it will be the greatest experience for Gukesh and everyone of us to see him defeat Magnus. So looking forward to it.
इतना मजा आ रहा है,
Exactly. It's a dream come true, and it's great to see both of them play for us right now. So absolutely fascinated to see it.
Gukesh has massive respect for Magnus,
Absolutely.
उसने कहा
Absolutely.
कि मैं
Magnus said exactly. मैं best हूँ, he himself admitted, and which is so nice of Gukesh that he is still working on it to become best, but he is still not the best. So it's amazing to see that. The way Gukesh carried him at the age of 18, I felt after that interview that there is so much to learn for all of us from that. And really, my after listening to him, the respect for him in my eyes has really gone up. So become a fan of Gukesh. Really become a fan. We all, yes, Kavan is my son and he's playing, and I think we are all motivated. I am motivated. Kavan is motivated to see how Gukesh has performed, and love to see him become grandmaster, world champion at some stage. But I left it to him, and let's see how it goes. I mean, no pressure on anything. Right?
That's one kid to watch out for, Kavan. Where is he though?
Thank you. He's playing around.
Yeah, see that one. Sir, the question is for, thank you so much. Thank you so much. The question is, okay, now the champion is Gukesh. So who do you think will be the next challenger?
Oh, next challenger?
Yes.
Okay, so first let me congratulate Gukesh. है ना? Gukesh, we are so proud of you. है ना? Every Indian thinks of you like you have done good job. like Viswanathan Anand was the World Cup champion, and now you are. So chess came back to India, in the land of India.
Wow.
Now the question is like, who will be the next candidate challenger for Gukesh?
No,
So,
champion challenger directly.
so in the after 2 years again World Cup will be played, and I hope and in my intention is like either Prague or
One name.
or Arjun Regasi, and I think Prague.
You can say from all over the world.
So I am considering all Ali Firoja and all other people, but I still think that Prague also has a lot of potential, and candidate will be like Prague between Gukesh.
So it's safe to say that the World
World Cup
champion
will
from
remain
India.
India. Will remain India for coming years, many years to come. And as far as Magnus Carlsen match with Gukesh or things there, like I have seen the video wherein Magnus Carlsen has told that okay, Gukesh is not so intuitive. He plays well, but he plays like with lot of calculations. So my thinking is that every people thinks from their own perspective. So maybe Magnus Carlsen may remain intuitive, and that's why he is criticizing or saying something about Gukesh that he's calculative. But everyone has their own potential, and the time will come when Gukesh will win over Magnus Carlsen because of these calculations. So let's see.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Say your good name, please.
Yeah, my name is Prashant Soni. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So, what's your good name?
Matteo.
Okay, Matthew. So, are you following that World Chess Championship?
Yes, I did, of course.
Do you want to congratulate Gukesh?
Yeah, Gukesh was amazing. He played really well. Tactically, he was so much better than Ding on this match. So, congratulations to Gukesh.
Also, one question for you. What do you think will be the next challenger?
Maybe Nepomniachtchi is very good. Maybe I think, or Caruana, but Caruana is a bit lost now on long. But maybe Caruana will come back. So,
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. What's your good name, though?
Matteo. Oh, and maybe Maxime Vachier-Lagrave, the French player,
Oh,
MVL. It's very good. Or Ferrugia.
Thank you so much.
Go
How
French
did you
players.
discover that this place? Chess
Just on Chessbase, on Chessbase
wow.
India. Yeah.
Nice. I'm from Chessbase India only.
Ah,
I'll put
okay.
this video over there in Chessbase India.
Oh,
Clips
okay.
channel.
Oh.
So do you have any message for Sagar sir? He has introduced this to you that.
Yeah, so thank you very much for this place. It's so good to come to play here. So thank you so much.
So where did you come from?
Friends. That's
Oh,
why
wow.
MVL, of course.
Oh, nice. So you named him last.
Sorry?
You named him last though.
Yeah, in first place. MVL, we love him.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Yes.
Nice to meet
What
you.
do you think will be the next challenger?
I don't know.
Thank you so much.
I know that Gukesh is the youngest world champion.
Yes. That's nice.
He won a match with Ding.
Yes. Who will be the next challenger?
नेक्स्ट चैलेंजर नेपो ही रहना चाहिए यार, डिजर्व करता है, इतना हार गया है
So
वो
close yet so far.
ऑन गॉड.
So who do you think will be the next challenger? Magnus, but he is not coming to this World Chess Championship cycle. Okay, thank you so much. For the Gukesh win, what do you think, Harshbhai, who will be the next challenger?
So I would hope that it's Arjun. So Arjun, I think, is very close to making it to the candidates. So last time he was very close multiple times in multiple events, and he didn't make it. So I would wish that he makes it to the candidates and becomes the next challenger.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Adarshbhai, who do you think will be the next challenger?
I also feel it's going to be Arjun because I think he's playing very good. He's winning all the events, and I feel like he's going to qualify for the candidates again. And he will be a tough challenger for Gukesh as well, and we are hoping for that.
So you want that the world champion should be from India only?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. Who do you think will be the next challenger?
I think Arjun Erigaisi has good chances of being the challenger because he has a great performance this year. So yeah.
What do you think will be the next challenger?
Prague.
Prague, wow, thank you so much. What's your name, though? Thank you so much. Who will be the next challenger?
Arjun Erigaisi.
Oh wow. Arjun is quite favorite, I think. So everyone is saying Arjun. I hope Arjun qualifies to the candidates. He's almost there though.
Yeah. There is a Qatar tournament. He's doing pretty well.
Yes.
So, Arjun Erigaisi.
Thank you so much. Arya, who do you think will be the next challenger?
Arjun.
Arjun. And you? Who do you think will be the next challenger? Hikaru. Oh, thank you so much, Hikaru. This is the first guy I heard who said Hikaru. Other than everyone's favorite here is Arjun only. So thank you so much. What's your good name, bro?
Siddhant.
Thank you, Siddharth. Who do you think will be the next challenger?
For Gukesh Domaraj.
Yes, yes.
It could be Hikaru, Arjun.
You have to name one.
One.
Hikaru?
Yes, yes, also Hikaru. Because he's also good. He's also good in rapid format and he's well thinking.
Thank you so much. So how did you come to know that this chess place is happening over here?
By the Instagram page my mom showed me and also by the WhatsApp group.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So sorry to disturb you. What do you think will be the next challenger?
What?
What do you think will be the next challenger?
I honestly think the Hikaru. So I think Hikaru will play Gukesh in the World Championship and then we'll see what occurs.
So what do you think will win in that match?
It depends what happens. If it goes into tie breaks, obviously Hikaru, but if it in the classicals, I don't know what could happen because Gukesh, with the time, if he manages time well, he can pull off a win if needed, and
as he did right now.
Yeah, against him. But he's what you say. Once he gets into a time trouble, he cannot get out of it. That's the problem. So after Hikaru, let's say Hikaru goes, and if he gets a set position, it won't be easy for Gukesh to come back. So.
But I think so now Gukesh will be more experienced, right?
Yeah.
Because this time he was not that experienced in compared to
Yeah, but it will depend on who plays him, you know.
Thank you so much, Kavan. Bye bye. Do you think will be the next challenger?
Next challenger, Arjun for sure.
Arjun for sure.
Sure.
He's so close to the candidate spot. But what do you think? Will Ding make to the candidate spots once again?
Yes, I think so. Ding
But
will
now
be
there
back.
is no direct spot. If you lose, you cannot direct. You can have to play the whole cycle right now. What do you think?
Yes, I think Ding will surely be back. We can see already after a rough phase, he has already made a comeback. He won the first game against Gukesh also. But yeah, let's see. I hope someone from India only wins, and I hope that the next championship we have an all-Indian finals maybe.
That would be epic, and that would be so great for the Indian viewers.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. What's your good name?
Saurav.
Thank you so much. What do you think will be the next challenger?
Arjun.
Arjun is the quiet favorite. Everyone is naming Arjun. So now I have to change. Except Arjun, who do you think will be the next challenger?
Fabian. Fabian.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much. अर्जुन ने ना सबके दिलों में जगह तो बना ली है और टचवुड ऐसा चलता रहे, बट सब सारे एक साथ सिर्फ एक ही नाम ले रहे हैं, अर्जुन. ये देखने को भी बहुत क्वाइट क्रेजी बैटल होगी कि दोनों इंडिया के प्लेयर से वर्ल्ड चेस चैंपियनशिप में खेल रहे हैं. एक तरफ गुकेश चैंपियन और चैलेंजर अर्जुन. लेट्स सी कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं. और तुम लोग भी ऐसे कमेंट्स में एक बार सब लोग लिखना है कि क्या लगता है तुम सब लोग को कि हु विल बी द नेक्स्ट चैलेंजर. जस्ट अभी एक चैंपियनशिप खत्म हुई, पर मेरे को लगा कि एक वीडियो क्वाइट ऐसे अच्छी रहेगी और आई फील के ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट में लाता रहूँगा, ऐसे नई वीडियोस बनाते रहेंगे हम लोग. थैंक यू सो मच. और अगर तुम लोग ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो. 100K के बहुत नज़दीक है हम लोग. एज वेल एज के तुम लोग देखा जाओगे तो तुम लोग मेरे को एक्सेप्ट करते हो ये वीडियोज़ में, क्योंकि इन द सेंस कि मेरे को अच्छा लगता है कभी कभी मेरे नाम के कॉमेंट्स आते थे, वेदर गुड और बैड, तो दैट्स ग्रेट. और चेसिस इंडिया क्लिप्स को तुम लोग जल्दी से जल्दी अभी सब्सक्राइब करते रहो. और मैं ऐसे वीडियोस और ऐसे कुछ नया कॉन्सेप्ट अगर तुम्हें भी कुछ दिमाग में हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट में लिखना. मैं सारे कमेंट देखूंगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय. टेक केयर. पीस आउट.